So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to increase your credit score just by paying rent on KOHO Financial. So one of the cool features that KOHO Financial offers is the opportunity to pay your rent through the app, which in theory can build your credit score through the credit building feature. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on home, then at the top where it says spend, credit, borrow, etc., press on credit and then just scroll down to where it says more ways to build credit. And in the bottom left of this quadrant here, it says rent reporting, your rent working on your credit. Press that option. So what you can actually do through here is pay rent through KOHO and then build credit history, which will increase your credit score. So that's a really cool feature here. But just kind of scroll down to read more about it. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed with doing this, go to the bottom and press on unlock. Now to access this, you have to have the essential package here. So go ahead and if you want to upgrade that, you can. You can start the free trial as well to see if you like it. And if all looks good, press on get free trial to go that way. Or if you want to do this later, press maybe later and go from there. But KOHO Financial gives you the option to increase your credit score by paying rent, which not a lot of people have access to in the first place. So really neat and cool feature there, but pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to increase your credit score just by paying your rent on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.